influential to get a telephone connection, even if you could afford it. When I left Delhi University at a very young age and was looking around for jobs, if you got a first class, you could get a teaching job in a Delhi University college. If you were very bright, there were 2 or 3 private sector companies that could hire you. And if you were not so bright, I shouldn't say this, but I will, you could become a lawyer. They did very well, by the way, They did very well. But the issue is today, look at our youngsters. They have been born. What would be the average age of the youth here? I suspect about 18, 20 years old.
18, 20? All right. चलिए 25 मान लेते हैं.
25. अच्छा, we are in 2025. We will be a Viksit Bharat by 2047. That if you are 25 now, when you are 47 years old, you will be part of a developed country with an economy of the size of $30 trillion, 35 trillion, 40 trillion, I don't know. So, when I say that I'm envious that you have been born now, I mean it in a positive way. You should be very proud of the fact that you're born in a country which has a demographic plus, which is a country which is firing on all cylinders. The economy is growing at 6.5% at a time when the world economy is facing headwinds. I mean, the major economies in the world, I am not going to go into what the chances of a recession are as a result of X, Y, or Z. I'm not getting into it. But look at them. We will overcome these challenges. We will go from a 4 trillion to a 7 to a $10 trillion economy. So as I said, if you are their age, the employment opportunities, there are challenges, all right. Yeah. Because today, artificial intelligence and all these other technological breakthroughs, they are producing a new kind. So skilling also will be required because, you have one part of the population, basic skilling is required. Then you have another one which is very high skilling. I was talking to some of your invitees outside. Mind-boggling what these startups are doing in Silicon Valley and other places. Mind-boggling stuff.
Not just delivery services. Not just delivery services.
No, bhai, let's be serious about it. I was telling you the story when I went for India Energy Week last year, and we were taking the Honorable Prime Minister around. They went to the BPCL stall. They had a electrolyzer there, domestically manufactured in collaboration with BARC, Baba Atomic Energy and so on, where they used the original technology which was there in a submarine where used to produce oxygen for the crew inside the tank, and they produced it for green hydrogen. So when I go around startups, those comments you're referring to, they were in a particular context. The fact of the matter is India today, both in terms of the unicorns and so on, we have in innovation and technology is one of our strengths. And these young people going into that strength, you're still very young, but I don't claim to be part of the innovative lot. I'm set in my ways. I try to be innovative in my limited way, but there are limitations to that.
Final question, we run out of time, but I just want to quickly ask you, have you ever faced discrimination as a Sikh in Bharat? And this entire narrative that's being trying to be drummed up, post-84, etc., etc. I have to ask you this, Hardeep, because there will be a lot of people who will want you to...
I have never faced any discrimination of anything, and not because I'm a Sikh. When I was a 4-year-old kid, and Sikh children don't cut their hair, I used to have a little Judai tried around. So I was going to a kindergarten in Germany. 4 or 5 or 6 years old, I don't know. So, the German boys, very, those blonde, blue-eyed guys. So they say, ye kya hai, lambe baal. So they try to teach me, tease me a little. So I had my mother had a German friend. We used to call her a second mother. So she said, next time somebody does, take your shoe and just kick them under the knee, not too hard. वो 1-2 बार किया, वो एकदम सही हो गए. उसके बाद बड़े अच्छे हो गए. मुझे तो किसी ने bully नहीं किया और कोई India is the safest haven for all minorities, believe me. And the Sikhs who say, अरे भाई तुम्हें कनाडा में या कहीं और जाकर settle करना है, अपनी कहानी कुछ और बनाओ. Not because you are being discriminated or persecuted here. Pure BS. Sikhs have, look, we are a small percentage of the population. कितनी है यार अभी 1.4% है हमारी population. Our contribution to the armed forces 20%. Our contribution to anything. When I joined the foreign service, we had 5 Sikhs in my batch. Not all wearing turban, but most of them wearing turban. So their Sikhs have never faced discrimination anywhere. ये जो appeasement politics के minorities को यार discrimination हो गई, ये हो गई. अरे अपना देखो अभी क्या बेवकूफी के stand ले रहे हैं recent legislation पे. अरे I must say all minorities, India is the safest haven.
Ladies and gentlemen, Shri Hardeep Puri.